My name is Farai Makanyire. I came from Zimbabwe. I was helped to come here because I had arthritis on my knees, both knees. The Vaidam company helped me, assisted in everything, all the things that I needed, visa and TV and everything, advice on everything. So I came here. I went to CK Hospital where I was assigned to Dr. Ram, and they did my surgery with the help of Butch as an interpreter or assisting, manager. So we just helped until now. We got some taxis from the airport picking up, and all my recovery, I had all the support. I was given letters and clearance to travel. Everything is sorted.